If you're a beginner who wants to make money online but don't know where to start, make sure to watch this video to the very end so you guys don't miss out on valuable information. Now, before I get this video started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest update on how I give you free videos on how to make passive income every single day. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is one of the most well-known, top-branded affiliate marketplace where you can promote someone else's products and get commission off of that. Now I know there's also like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24. I mean, it's totally up to you. You could use any of those programs to promote a product. But for sake of this video, I'm gonna use ClickBank. Now once you're on ClickBank, log in, and if you're new, all you have to do is sign up. It's very simple. And once you have signed up, just log in. Now once you have logged in, there's the page that you will see. I mean, if you look in the left side of the screen, I mean, this is all the products or categories that you can promote. I mean, there's arts and entertainment, acting on TV, betting system, e-business, games, health and fitness, home and gardening. I mean, it's totally up to you. You can promote any of those products, but I'm gonna show you a technique where you can promote up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products all at once in one platform. So what I'm gonna do right now is go to e-business and e-marketing. Now, once you're on this page, again, this is all the products they could promote. You know, turn text to speech with human-like voices. Perpetual income, quick wall system. I mean, you can promote any of these products. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys know the old-fashioned way where you generate the hop link and you go out there and just try to promote this product. But what I'm gonna do right now, just use that exact same method, but using a different type of way. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go to Click Wall System, promote this, generate the hop link, which I've already done, generate the hop link, and then what I'm gonna do right now is go to Linktree. Now, this is the site or this is the platform that you're gonna use where you can promote up to 6 products all at once. So if you kind of look down here, again, as Ice Cube, let's say for Ice Cube trying to promote a product. So this is the account, and look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can promote up to 5 products all at once. So what you want to do right now is sign up. Now once you have signed up, you want to go to, once you have signed up, this is the page that you will see. Now, what you want to do is click add new link, and this is the title. The title was pretty much like the hook, get the attention, from the audience. So, for this video, I'm just put an example hook, and from here, I'm gonna put the hop link. Now, once I've done that, look at this right here. Look, it happened. This is one of the products I'm gonna promote, and you could do again. So, add new link. For another example, hook number two, and then I'm gonna go to different products this time. So this time I'm gonna promote perpetual income. This is a big one. I'm gonna promote this one. So what I'm gonna do right now is generate the hop link, go back to the link tree, paste it, and then look here on the right side. It happened again. So you guys are seeing this, right? Just keep adding new link, new products in this one platform. Now the question is, okay, how am I gonna promote this? How am I gonna sell this? Now what I'm gonna do right now is go to Instagram. If you go to Instagram, the reason I'm showing the hashtag cash, because if you go to the search bar and type in cash, hashtag cash, look at this. It has over cash has over 1 million, 11 million posts. And if you type in hashtag money, look at this, 55 million posts. Now the reason I'm doing this is because people like to do this to kind of like show off, but people like to do this because like quote unquote entertainment. Like people like to see this. And the reason I'm saying this to you because I looked this up, and if you kind of look at this account, Make Money Online 369, he's doing the exact same thing I'm teaching us right now. So what he's doing right now, he's putting all this photos about this cash, because that gets people's attention, And what he's done, he put a link here in the description box where he's uh, sending them to a promotion page and telling them to buy a product. So again, this is also the latest example. Again, Dollar USA. He doesn't really necessarily have the link, but what he's saying is that, DM me for promo. So he's saying that you can message me if you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day, and also for this one too. Become a millionaire. Same thing. He's posting all this, cash pictures, and he's put a link to send them to a sales page. Now, again, this is not a quick get rich quick scheme. I mean, this is gonna take some time. You gotta be very very consistent about this. Now, from there, you're asking me, well, how do I get these pictures? So what you want to do from there is go to, I have these two sites for you. Pexels. Pexels is one of the sites that you could use where you could get all this, money pictures, like HD, like high definition, pictures of, about money. Or you could use Pixabay. This is another site that you could use where you could get, a money picture from here. So what you want to do is just, copy the pictures, or just copy the pictures, copy the image, and just post it on Instagram. Now from there, obviously to get the attention to your account is hashtags. Now how do I look up hashtags? Now you could use Ingrammer, but the thing about Ingrammer is that they do charge you. I think it was about like $40. Okay, yeah, $40 for 2 weeks. You could use Ingrammer where you could just like kind of like search up hashtags, and it will tell you like the ranking of a hashtag. But there's another website that is totally free. So what you want to do is go to all hashtag, and I've already done this for you guys. So again, it says insert word, so I just put cash, and I click generate. And then if you scroll down here, again, this is best 30 hashtag best 30 cash hashtags. So if you look down here again, cash fund follow trend, cash flow, cash mirror, cash follow plan, cash money. I mean, this is one of the top breaking hashtags you can use for a photo. Now from there, once you have made an account, you decide to do this. Okay, now how do I get up to 15,000 followers? How do I get up to, how many is this one? 154. I mean, I could just tell this is new. He's just started doing this. How do I get up to 50K followers? Now there's a technique called follow and unfollow. Now I know maybe some of you guys know about this, and again, the thing about that is you gotta be very very consistent about it. I mean, again, it's not like within 1 week I could get like 2,000 followers. It's not like that. This takes about maybe like approximately about like a month and a half to 2 months to really see some followers come into your account. Now the reason you want those organic followers, because you don't want followers that where you could buy from a different program to make your Instagram like really big, like really popping. Because the thing about that is no one's gonna follow you, no one's gonna like your pictures, no one's gonna comment it, and they could tell that this account is fake. So you wanna build your own organic followers. And then once you're building up followers, again, this money making dreams is doing the exact same thing. He's putting all this money pictures, but again, he's doing the exact same thing. He's putting a link, attempting to the sell page, and it's promoting products. Now, if you again, the thing here is that you gotta be very very consistent about this. Again, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You gotta be consistent, put some effort into it, and the result will come. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make passive income every single day, I actually give away 4 free videos on how to do that. I mean, there's a link below on the description box. You can check that out. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.